Introducing Flow Aid by 20 Microns Nano Minerals. It is a polymeric lubricant and acid scavenger for smoother PVC processing. Our Flow Aid cuts stabilizer demand while maintaining thermal and visual stability. Also, it enables better melt flow and increases processing output by up to 15%. Our Flow Aid's high flash point and acid scavenging action significantly reduce yellowing during processing. You can significantly cut stearic acid and calcium stearate use and remove PE wax entirely. It enhances impact and tensile strength, producing more reliable finished goods across demanding applications. Our Flow Aid delivers better surface gloss retention and reduced abrasion with Flow Aid during processing and end use. Comparative tests show Flow Aid reduces additive usage and delivers higher impact strength. Flow Aid suits PVC pipes, profiles, foam boards, doors, windows, and other rigid PVC parts. With EcoVadis Gold recognition, 20 Microns leads in sustainable, responsible manufacturing. Our state-of-the-art research center drives innovation, ensuring superior testing, development, and technical excellence. 20 Microns powers industries across India with advanced plants, strong R&D, and a nationwide sales network delivering performance wherever innovation is needed. Visit 20microns.com, email us at enquiry@20microns.com.